Hey guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bar Show right here on ADDO TV. If you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel to join this amazing family. Okay guys, straight to today's bars, we have tax soldiers to administer vaccines. People respond quickly. AFIA Schwarzenegger to President Nana Akufo-Addo. Yes, so Ghanaian comedian and social media commentator AFIA Schwarzenegger has urged the President of Ghana to allow the military to administer the COVID-19 vaccines to Ghanaians. According to her, the president is over-pampering Ghanaians when sometimes force must be applied. She added that if people fail to comply with the vaccination exercise, the president should allow the military to go door to door to vaccinate people. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to drop your opinions and thoughts on this particular issue in the comment section below.
Nanado, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, we are bashaboni too much. Nanade. Bible class in museum for mu name. Mu biem. Unim kwafa no ka. En kwase afo en wo mti mamu nei. Ebe kaka ye wo mu biem. Ye nim kwan bia be fa so betu wo mu. Nyame adom yen akofa corona aba. Eba be yi wo mu ntimi nwene. Emfiri ho. Na wo pa wo macho. Se chinchin o mu nko wo pani. E da bi na na mpo macho. Enu ade okwo we kura no. O mu sie ye nsuo na mpo sie ye donso. Empo macho. Would you tell me when they come a soldier for? I call upon you, so you need the penny to feel. Now there was a one war near Red or Bema. Ghanaian Pablo Nana, Messi will be a great leader to say JJ because you're yet a force and Tiana, your mind.